Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the beautiful song, Raabta, on the harmonium. We'll begin by getting acquainted with your instrument, ensuring it's ready for a delightful musical journey. First, understand the basic layout and key positions. Then, make sure your harmonium is tuned perfectly. Finally, familiarize yourself with the C major scale, as it's the foundation for this lovely tune. This will set you up for success. Now, let's dive into the melody of Raabta. This enchanting tune largely utilizes notes from the C major scale, making it accessible. Concentrate on the main melody line, which is typically played in the middle octave of your harmonium. Take your time to practice the opening phrase very slowly. This careful approach will help you truly grasp the rhythm and precise timing, building a strong foundation for the entire song. Next, we'll add depth to your performance by incorporating chords. The primary chords for Raabta include C major, G major, and F major. Practice playing these essential chords smoothly with your left hand, ensuring a clear and resonant sound. The key is to coordinate your left-hand chords seamlessly with your right-hand melody. This combination creates a rich, harmonious accompaniment, bringing the song to life beautifully. To master Raabta, effective practice is crucial. Begin by practicing each section of the song separately, ensuring proficiency before combining them. Utilize a metronome to maintain a consistent tempo, which significantly improves your rhythm and timing. Finally, listen to the original song frequently. This helps you internalize the subtle nuances, dynamics, and overall feel, allowing you to perform the piece with authentic expression and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.